Fuck. Alright, back to our parts. You're gonna need diesel. Not a lot, just enough. And a coffee. And you need to walk over to your pile of wood. Whoever invented that, fuck you. And you need to pour your diesel on your wood. Make sure she's nice and wet. And get some over here too. As much as she'll take, just pour. The hotter the better. It might make your parts a little bit smoother. Alright, now try to find where you sprayed your diesel. Down here somewhere, I smell it. Oh, that's too damn cold for the diesel. Even the pine needles don't want to burn. Well, shit. More diesel. Alright. Now let's try to remember where we put this. Right on the pine needles. You know, like now I'm gonna be kind of pissed off. It's too damn cold to be playing out here. Ignition. Alright, I think we got her. Oh, she smells good too. Well, while Satan's Fury's working on that side, let's pour a little over here. And then give this a little get up and go too. Maybe. Yeah, she burns it. She dries quick. Look at that. And diesel still don't want to light. What the hell? I'm gonna have to use some gasoline. And I tell you what, we'll just work this pile like this and see if we can't get it to spread with a little diesel trail. Keep feeding her. She'll go eventually. Man, she sure does keep taking a fucking beating, don't she? Fucking wind. It's not the only thing that shrivels when it gets cold, huh? Yeah, she's still little. But can't expect much more than that when it's cold. Time for first cup of coffee. Here we go. Now, as much fun as it is working with Liquid Hatred, I'm not trying to burn my face off. Let's see how this torch field does. Little tiki torches. Maybe it'll burn long enough to actually catch something on fire too. So you can see, still no flames. Well, I got a little fire after all the damn lighter food and this fucking thing. Should I try a diesel, lighter food, tiki torch, and even Liquid Hatred? And I finally got it to go. You just needed a perfect mixture of all of them. More feel for thought here. Oh yeah, just piss on it. Yeah, make sure you throw that in there too. Woo! Show a little spit to her. Now I need some lighter fluid. Would like to get it to spread to the back if I could. Bastard. Ah, she's empty too. And she goes. Yeah, that one was a little disappointing. Not much to that. The mini paths back and forth I had to take to go back to this damn fire. That's still just a fucking spitting a little bit. This thing's gonna come kill me one day, walking underneath this. It's already shit all over this shed. But after considering how long this is gonna take, another bottle. And hopefully she gets going. Well, 2 bottles of motivation later. We finally got a little hole going. Almost ready for our parts. Well, I think she's ready for her first part. So, what you gotta do is find coals that are burning hot like that. Take your first failed print, which would be this one. It was a cube. Acetone made it turn into a slinky. As you can see, you take this, drop it in there. If you could hit the fucking spot sitting down there. Next one, if I can get in there, hot as fuck. There we go. As you can see, it's smoothing it right out. Got it down to a nice boil. The other one just turned completely black and into charcoal. And then when it's all over and done with, you ain't got to worry about your bad parts no more. Boy, she sure did like some of that PLA. Pretty much all gone now. Has some more wood to go. So plenty more parts I can dispose of and get them fixed here in the old fire. But that's gonna do it for this video. Just remember, fire is gonna be your answer to some bad prints out of PLA. I'll see you in the next one. And yes, PLA is biodegradable, so you ain't gotta worry about burning it.